National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got an interesting one from China. Dude, okay, see that? So this is Yinji Le Tao. I can't tell, but it's in the title. These are called One Noodle, One Soup. And thank you very much to Annie over at Red Chef Kampong for letting me know about how to translate and how to cook. The instructions are pretty intense, if you can see them there. But yeah, we got it figured out. I thought maybe, because the distributor label just said pepper noodle. It's like, okay. She said it was like numbing spicy, so this is going to be like a Szechuan pepper noodle. That helps. So yeah, let's do it to it. So, I'm gonna pour all this out. So we got this. And we're gonna put this in there. Like so. And then we're gonna pour water to cover this sucker, and I think it's 3 to 5 minutes. I will do 4. Well, it's not gonna cover it, it's just gonna float on top of it. So we'll take a fork and give it a little push down, let it chill for a second. There we go. And we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, bam! Bam! So this one's a little different than what you might be used to seeing. So obviously we've got a lid, it's got drain spouts here. What's interesting about this one is it doesn't only just have noodles, it has an accompanying soup. And that's what this is. This is the soup. And this is where the soup will hang out. So, yeah. So put that there. We're gonna take this. Did I start the timer? I better have. Yeah, I did. So, well, what's going on today? Oh yeah, so I run the Ramen Junkies group along with some really nice admins. And the deal is, oh yeah, see this? This is a freeze-dried soup block. Look at that. They usually work out really well. This one says it's laver egg soup. Laver is another word for seaweed. So we'll add liquid in here. I'm guessing right to about there. And here, you want to watch this? This is usually pretty interesting. Hopefully I can get a good shot of that. Yeah, wow. I'm really liking this camera setup now. Anyways, so I run the group Ramen Junkies, and somebody posted, look, it also comes with a fork. It was a link and an image for this vegan white miso ramen. And they said something like, you don't have to eat animals for ramen to taste good. And people lost their minds. They were like, wow, that's really passive aggressive to push your agenda on us. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I don't know. If people are vegan and they're proud of it, so what? If you like to eat animals, then eat your animals. I don't get it. Ooh, soupy soup. And this is pretty much done. It's a seaweed and egg soup. You can see there's like kind of egg droppy stuff going on around there. let's give it a try. So yeah, it's like you've got your noodles and your soup. Yeah. That is not bad. But yeah, people that are having like a big fit about that, and like, really, I don't understand why. Like, they're complaining about, you shouldn't come in here and just like demand everybody listens to your opinion. It's like, isn't that what Facebook is about? I don't know. Here's how it looks plated. Sesame seed? A little bit? A touch? Why not? I say, okay, so there's our sesame seeds. Now our soup is done. Yeah, cool, you get a soup and a noodle. So let's put the soup where it won't get knocked over. This is where it gets interesting, because when I have to do a thing like this, I've got to figure out how the heck I'm going to take pictures of it, and that can be a little tricky. So yeah, let's drain this. So as you can see here, there's drain spouts, if you can see, if you can't. And so drain. And it mentions to save about 20 mils of water, which is like just over a tablespoon, and I'm guessing there's about that much going on right now. Whoops, get back in there. Yep. Okay, so here's our soup and noodle. Or no, here's just our noodle. And we're gonna stir it up a little bit. How are we doing on the liquid in this? I think that's about right. And now we need to cut her open and drop her in. I got a few of these right before Lunar New Year, and the last one I had wasn't bad, but now after having this one, it makes me wonder, did I make it correctly? But I'm pretty sure I did. It was supposed to be like a 2x spicy salted egg variety. It really wasn't spicy though. So here, looking good. I can definitely smell the Szechuan pepper. All right, let's give this a go. That's all right. I hate saying that too. Is it really good? It's not horrible. It's definitely exactly as advertised. If it says it's numbing spicy, it's definitely got the Szechuan pepper thing going on, which is just right. Okay, you go here. Really? Over here? So I guess the camera is that one. Okay. Almost perfect. It's got a little kick to it, I'll admit. It's pretty interesting. Time to spatulate. Let's spatulate. lot of scallions. That's what we got right here. Why don't we do this? Yeah, don't get on the egg. Not that it hurts the egg or nothing, but... No, I want the egg to be unencumbered by things and stuff. Okay, and... I think, oh yeah, that's right. We've got this little garnish sachet, which is reminiscent of what comes with Bulldog. I'm pretty sure that's what this was. Yeah, well, it's just sesame seed. That's enough of that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Well, I guess we should... Whoa. No. Okay, we need to increase the brightness on this really bad. Where's that? Where is it? There we go. Oh, and it's upset. No, come on, I don't need any notifications. Okay, right there. And then, right here, you will be able to look at the soup. All right, Rotato. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, so the next one you'll see will be, usually what I do is I tape these in with the lid inside. Haven't had a chance to do that yet. But this is a, what do you call it? Yamamoto Simon Chinese miso taste ramen. Is it just going to be miso with a little Szechuan pepper? I guess we'll find out. That came out of an Umai crate. You can go to Umai crate. No, you can go to japancrate.com, look up the Umai crate. If you want to get one, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. You can get yourself a discount. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.